Imagine if you can make money day after day promoting ClickBank products on YouTube. Perhaps it would help pay your bills or go towards that vacation that you want. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I show you how to select a product from ClickBank and then how to create a video to promote it. You also have an opportunity to get 10 high converting ClickBank products done for you. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. What is ClickBank? It's a marketplace created and developed by entrepreneurs who wish to sell their products. It also has an affiliate network so you can make commissions from the products that you promote. Here are some of the benefits of promoting ClickBank products. Number 1, wide variety of products at all different prices. Number 2, has an excellent reputation for online payments. It connects more than 12,000 vendors, crossing over 100,000 ClickBank affiliates. Number 3, no need to invest money. It's free to become a ClickBank affiliate, plus you don't have to spend time creating the product or the marketing materials. Number 4, easy to become an affiliate. You simply fill out the form on the ClickBank website. Number 5, earn high commissions. Most of the products on ClickBank offer a 50% commission and many offer a higher commission. Number 6, no need to have a blog or a website to promote their products. You can simply grab the affiliate link and begin promoting. Number 7, 60-day money-back guarantee. If someone's not satisfied with the product on ClickBank, they can get a refund within 60 days. What are the requirements? There's only 2 requirements. Number 1, sign up for a ClickBank account. Number 2, YouTube channel. If you don't currently own a YouTube channel, you can create a review channel and just use it for reviewing products from ClickBank. Here are the steps to find a ClickBank product to promote on YouTube. Number 1, select the product to promote from the ClickBank Marketplace. Go to clickbank.com, click on Affiliate Marketplace. Here you see a list of all the products that you can promote. You can also search products by keyword by just entering your keyword in the product box. Let's select health and fitness. Scroll down. I'm kind of interested in yoga, so let's check out Yoga Burn. The stats say that you'll earn $14.14 per sale. Average percentage per sale, 100%, so that's really good. Average rebill total is 0. Average percentage rebill, 3%. Gravity, 56.25, which is very good. Let's check out the sales page. When we check out the sales page, we want first-time visitors to quickly be able to see what the site is all about. So it's clear headlines, beautiful image, and the web page is laid out very nicely. You learn strategies. You got Yoga Burn, Digital plus Physical, Digital plus Physicals X2, how it works, different phases. You got feedback from the community. Get started on your Yoga Burn journey. Frequently asked questions. Who is Zoe Berry Cotton? Then it's got some frequently asked questions like, what if it doesn't work for me? What if the workouts are too hard? How long will the offer be available? Who's the retailer? Then it's got the products listed again. Overall, a very good landing page. Now click on the affiliate page. It says, welcome to your affiliate marketing center and terms of service page for Yoga Burn. On this page, you'll find exactly what you need to immediately begin making 30% commissions, promoting the first and only conversion crushing video sales letter for the yoga market. In order to become an affiliate, you'll have to create an affiliate account at clickbank.com. After you've done this, you'll be able to send traffic through the ClickBank affiliate link, and ClickBank will automatically credit your account 30% commission for all of the sales that you make of Yoga Burn and non-free trial upsells. So it's got affiliate resources here. Click to download the banner package so I can use all these banners. Click here to download swipe copy. Here's some copy that I can use to promote the product. Let's click on promote. It says you can earn 30% for each paying customer you refer to this product. For details, please enter your account nickname and tracking ID if you have one. I'm going to enter my account nickname because I already have a ClickBank account. Then click create. Here's my affiliate link that I can copy and paste into the description under my video, or I can copy this hop link HTML code and add it to my web page. Number 2, keyword research. The purpose of keyword research is to find the keywords and the keyword phrases that people are typing into the search engines that are related to the product that you wish to promote. If I enter yoga in the YouTube suggestion box, I get a bunch of suggestions. Let's click on Yoga for Beginners because it gets 60,500 visitors per month and a cost per click of $2.53. According to the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy, the keyword score is poor, 14 out of 100. Let's try a less competitive phrase. Let's try yoga for beginners, flexibility and strength. That looks better. It says very good, 75 out of 100. Let's check out the competition. Number 3, competition analysis. The purpose of checking out your competition on YouTube is to see if it's worthwhile promoting this product. If the competition is too fierce, you won't make any money because you won't be able to rank for that keyword phrase. If I look at the top videos on this page for yoga for beginners, flexibility and strength, I don't see any of the videos having that in the first few words of the title, except for this one maybe, yoga for strength and flexibility. This tells me that it's a good keyword phrase to go after and to make a video for. Let's try another keyword phrase. Let's try yoga for beginners, weight loss woman. It also gets a keyword score from TubeBuddy of 75 out of 100. I don't see any of the top videos having that exact keyword phrase in their title. That means the video targeting that keyword phrase would have a good chance of getting a top ranking in YouTube. I'll include a link to TubeBuddy, the free Chrome extension, in the description below this video. Number 4, create your review video. To do this, I suggest first writing out a script based upon the information you can glean from the sales page of the product that you're promoting. Click the link in the card to watch my video on how to write a script for your video. When you're recording and editing your video, make sure you start off with a hook, such as a question or statement, followed by the meat of the content. End your video with a strong call to action by telling viewers to click the link in the description below your video. Number 5, upload and optimize your video. After you've finished editing your video, you're ready to upload it and optimize it for the search engines. While you're optimizing your video, make sure you set the privacy settings to private. Make sure you include your main keyword phrase in the title, description, and tags. Also create an attractive thumbnail that stands out from your competitors. If no one clicks on your thumbnail from the listings in the search engines, then you won't get the first click and you won't make any money. Number 6, publish a video. Change the privacy settings to public to publish a video. After your video has gone public, your work has just begun. Number 7, promote your video. Promote your video across social media sites as well as embed it on your own website if you have one. If you have an email list of people that may be interested in your product, recommend the product to your list. Here's a bonus tip. If this product begins making money for you on a continuous basis, make more of the same type of videos. Alternatively, choose different products to promote so you can create a snowball effect from a YouTube channel. When you have multiple videos generating revenue for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you can build up a great passive income online. If you want alternative ways to ClickBank to generate revenue from a YouTube channel, click the link in the card. Let me ask you an important question. Would you like 10 high converting ClickBank products done for you? My friend Clive has done all the heavy lifting for you. Niche selection is done, keyword research is done, the video scripts have been written, the review videos have been created, you get affiliate and competition stats, you get SEO training, you get access to media libraries, and also access to built-in tools. You get 10 high converting ClickBank products in all different niches. You also get these built-in bonus tools and resources: video rank checker, video script app, media libraries, quick start SEO mind map, and a private Facebook group. The entire video creation process has been done for you. No video creation required. The products have been sourced and the search terms have been found for you. No hours spent on research. You simply upload to your YouTube channel or embed on your website and optimize for your chosen search term using the video SEO training mind map that's included. You also get a 30-day rock solid guarantee. Click the link in the description below this video to get your copy now.